that we should read the motivation at the beginning, come from within, and then self-motivation can go up and down. When your motivation are low, then you can come and find someone else.
Learning from them, especially about life. Do you find that motivated people are more successful than unmotivated people? Actually, nowadays it's really easy to unmotivate people, especially when people